In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Microsoft Swift Keyboard on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and type SwiftKey. The first option is SwiftKey, Microsoft SwiftKey AI Keyboard. Now download it. I already downloaded it, and you don't need to open the actual app. You can just go back to the menu and click on Settings. After that, you can scroll down to General. Click on General and then scroll down and click on Keyboard. After that, you see the first option, Keyboards. Click on it and here are all of your keyboards. So to add a new keyboard, click here and then you can see third-party keyboards, SwiftKey. Click on it and then click Edit. You have to move the Swift keyboard all the way to the top so it's actually usable. Now click Done, and one last thing you have to do is click on the arrow to enable Smart Text. This you can do with Allow Full Access and then click Allow. Now the Smart Keyboard should work with the Swift key, and as you can see, it's working great. See you in the next video.